Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna unbox this JisuLife, which is a portable fan designed for maybe baby strollers, yes, something like this. So I can see this one is not charged, so I'm gonna put it in a charge for a couple seconds. Let us see. I have a very fast charger right here. Build quality, it's very good. Oh, actually it is already charged. There was display on top, I didn't notice that. Nice. So, oh, there's a light inside here. Wow, I didn't know that. Please turn on the power before use. Okay. There's 3 brightness. Okay, this is level 1, level 2, level 3. It's not far. Oh, it's not that powerful enough. Yeah. Okay, there's only 5 level. There you go. So just click. There you go. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this.